Hi, this is Nate with Keysoft Solutions. Today I want to talk about labels, how to edit them, how to move them and manipulate them around the drawing. So I already have a drawing here with several plants with specifications labeled. I've set up a custom style that uses a abbreviation that I've pulled from the database. Uh, you can see here, modify styles, where that is being pulled from. These are the different styles I have loaded in this drawing. And it's a pretty simple style. It just has number of plants here and abbreviation. I've also have an auto connection to the left center of the label here, you see. I've also set up a text style that I like, and I think that's about it for settings. Also the arrowhead, I specify the triangle arrowhead. If I wanted to change between styles that are already in a drawing, I would go to set style. And I could select the labels I want to change, hit enter, and then I could change those to a different style. For example, this hexagon style. And some of these styles I have them handling the leaders in different ways. So sometimes it creates a little issue like that. But here, let's go back to this original style. Below the set style, modify style pull down, we have another list of tools that let you modify set location. I'll click on a label, and now I can move the label itself. Set text height. That is an old command. It actually brings us back excuse me, to the specification style manager, and I can set the text height there. Set angle. Just click the object, and you can set an angle for text like that. Define leader. With define leader, I'll click on the label, enter a fixed leader point, and then you can draw it back to the label itself. So let's do that command again. Say I want it from there. I want to draw a little bit of a header there as well. Hit enter, and there. The next command, remove. If I click on this label, hit enter, I get this dialog box where I can either delete just the text, which would be the label and the leader, or the text and the specification, which would remove the species information from these plant symbols. So for example, if I click text only, then I go back to modify these specimens, you can see it still has all of the specification data down here. If I hit OK, it's going to prompt me to place a label again. I'll click there. Right now I'm drawing with the specification label first, and then adding in the leader. If I remove it again, okay, text only, add the label back in again. Down here at the bottom, you see I have the choice to do a leader first as well. If I hit L, enter, now I can draw the leader first, and that you can see it's snapping to different insertion points. So say I want it here, and then draw a little bit of a landing there. That looks pretty nice. Then the set plot option, that's if you're plotting on multiple sheets, you can say what sheet this is. It helps with creating schedules for multiple sheet layouts and doing separate counts for each sheet. Below that is Specification Manager. And Specification Manager is very powerful. I discussed it in another video, but basically it lets you globally switch out attributes for plant specifications. So if I decided that I didn't want the river birch anymore, wanted to replace that with a different kind of birch, I could do that by modifying that specification, then apply it to the entire drawing. It's also useful for swapping out blocks symbols. For example, if I wanted something a little more complex for the prunus, I could go modify specification, pick a different symbol, and then apply that to the drawing.